Dear friends, today we see the battery, how to charge the battery charger in substations. Manufacturing by Liveline. This is supply on, float mode, boost mode, battery reverse polarity, DC fault, DC earth fault. These yellow indications all are fault indications. Means first one is AC supply fail, rectifier fuse fail, surge circuit fuse fail, filter cap fuse fail, input MCB trip, output MCB trip, battery over voltage, load over voltage, load under voltage, charger fail circuit, and DC over current. These are input voltmeter, AC voltmeter, output ammeter, battery charge discharge ammeter, output voltmeter. This is the selector switch. This is the manual mode and 4 is automatic mode. Manual voltage adjustment means we adjust this knob for required voltage of battery. Generally in our substation 30 volts battery charger and 100 H battery is used. These are the battery set. All are connected in like that. This is plus, this is minus. This minus connected with this plus. This minus connected with this plus, like that. This is the fault indication, means sound. If any fault occur in the charger, this it gives the sound, beep sound. This is reset, OSR reset. This is battery voltage. This is charging voltage. 1 is charging and 2 is battery voltage. Now battery voltage is 30 volts showing. We see the inner side of the battery charger. First one is heater switch. Next one is boost control or manual control. Panel lamp. This is socket switch. Main we use this, and boost mode or float mode. This is the boost mode and this is the upper side is float mode. Boost mode means we require high current to charge the battery. This is the test point to all check the LED voltage is okay or not. If we press this button, all LEDs are glowing. It means our LED indication section all are okay. Now we start the battery. MCB on. Check the reset button. First, the voltmeter showing 250 volts. This is manual mode. This is auto mode. First we check manual mode. Voltage I give. This is the charging voltage. I give the voltage to charging voltage to battery. $20 volts. I give the full voltage to charge the battery. Means here we see 33 volts, 34 volts. float mode. This is in float mode. If we change the boost mode, it takes high current. Battery takes high current and high voltage. Now the charger is charging the battery on boost mode. The boost mode voltage is 38 volts. We see the fault, means AC supply. If AC supply is fail, then what happen? I switch off the MCB. Now it is on condition. Switch off the MCB. The motor gives the sound. If the sound is pressed, we accepted the sound, means we accept this fault and rectify this fault. Now we give the supply. It charges the battery on float mode. Thank you friends. Please subscribe, like and share.